So the question is, a company manufactures two types of novelty souvenirs made of plywood. Souvenirs of type A requires 5 minutes each for cutting and 10 minutes each for assembling. Souvenirs of type B require 8 minutes each for cutting and 8 minutes each for assembling. Given that the total time for cutting is 3 hours 20 minutes and for assembling is 4 hours, the profit for type A souvenir is rupees 100 each, and for type B souvenir profit is rupees 120 each. How many souvenirs of each type should the company manufacture in order to maximize the profit? Formulate the problem as an LPP and solve it graphically. Okay, so let the number of souvenirs of type A be X and let the number of souvenirs of type B be Y. Obviously these both X and Y must be greater or equal to 0. They can't be negative. Now this is the time profit table. The total time for cutting of type A souvenirs is 5 minutes, and the time for cutting each type B souvenir is 8 minutes. The assembling time for type A souvenir is 10 minutes, and the assembling time for type B souvenir is 8 minutes. The total time for cutting both the souvenirs is 3 hours and 20 minutes, that is 200 minutes, and the total time for assembling both the souvenirs is 4 hours, that is 240 minutes. So the profit for type A souvenirs is rupees 100 each, and for type B souvenirs is rupees 120 each. Here we need to maximize the profit. So if the total profit is Z, then first the formulation of the problem becomes 100x plus 120y is equals to Z, which is the first equation. Now there will be two more equations. Second will be 5x plus 8y should be less than equal to 200, and the third equation will be 10x plus 8y less than equal to 240.